Hello, I'm Andrew Voigt, and welcome to my Component.Studio FAQ. Today I want to show you how to export your designs from Component.Studio into your games on the Game Crafter. Begin by making sure that you're logged into the Game Crafter and that you have the game that you want to export the images into already created. Select Make Games, My Games. Choose Create a Custom Game. Once created, the new game will show, and you can edit the details. Then, update the name. Press Enter and your game file saves. Now we'll return to Component.Studio and export your designs. For this example, I already have my designs built. Choose the project they're in, and then you'll export them one at a time. Select the drop-down arrow and choose Export Images into the Game Crafter. This drop-down will load all the games you have access to on the Game Crafter. Choose the appropriate one. If this is the only deck existing in that game file, then you'll choose Create New Deck. Your design name will automatically load here, but if you want the deck in the Game Crafter to be named something different, feel free to edit it. Select Upload Poker Deck. You can stay here on this page while the process happens, or you can move about Component.Studio. Either way, when the game's ready, you'll see a pop-up notification in the corner. Go ahead and click that link to be brought to the new deck in the Game Crafter. As we see, our designs have been added to this new deck. Now, I want to add more cards to this deck, but they're in a different design in Component.Studio. Let me show you how to do that. Go back to your Designs page. Note that if you're exporting multiple designs with different backs on them to the same deck of cards, make sure all the backs are set to Unique. Each back image is unique, just like the face. Select the design you want to add, and choose Export Images to the Game Crafter. After choosing your game this time, instead of Create New Deck, you'll choose the existing deck that now appears in the drop-down. In this case, the Exporting Designs deck. Component.Studio asks you whether you want to update the cards in that deck, or erase them all and start fresh. For this case, we'll choose Update the cards that have changed, add new ones, and leave the rest alone. If you would want to erase all existing cards in that deck on the Game Crafter and replace them with the ones in your Component.Studio design, you would choose the other option. Select Upload Poker Deck. Select the notification to be brought to the Game Crafter where that deck was uploaded. Here we see all the cards from both designs in the deck on the Game Crafter. Note that our first set had the red backs, and the second design we imported had the green backs. Thank you for watching my FAQ video. If you have other questions about Component.Studio, please leave a comment or send us a note. But until then, this is Andrew Voigt, helping you make games to be proud of.